Your entire digital life, every important document, family photo, and project is currently sitting on a physical drive that will eventually fail. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate peace of mind by showing you exactly how to back up your entire physical hard drive or just specific partitions with EaseUS Todo Backup. To back up with EaseUS with zero hassle, drop down into the video's description or pinned comment right now. I have secured an official download link along with an exclusive discount link to save you serious money on their premium safety features. Simply click the first official link to navigate directly to the tool we are going to be using. Now, if you are on Windows, you will grab the Windows installer. If you are a Mac user, look to your right for the dedicated To-Do Backup for Mac option. Both versions are designed to make cloning and cloud synchronization incredibly straightforward. Once the file downloads, open it up to launch the installer. Here is a quick pro tip. Always look for the small custom install link before hitting that big install button. This lets you see exactly where the software lands on your system and ensures a completely clean setup. Click install, let the progress bar run its course, and let's fire up the dashboard. With the software open, you will see a clean, distraction-free dashboard. Go ahead and click on Create Backup. The software is immediately going to ask you what exactly you want to protect. Since we are targeting the hardware today, we want to look closely at the disk or partition option. Now you have a crucial choice to make here depending on your goals. If you choose to back up the entire disk, you are making a flawless copy of every single piece of data, every operating system file, and every setting on that physical drive. This is your best bet for total disaster recovery. However, if you have split your drive into separate letters like a C drive for your system and a D or E drive for your media, you can choose the partition option instead. This allows you to cherry pick just one specific section of your hard drive to safeguard, saving you massive amounts of cloud storage space. Check the box next to the partition you want to secure, and let's move on to the magic step. Now that we have selected our partition, we need to tell the software exactly where to send this data. Click on the destination box. As a golden rule for absolute data safety, you never want to save a backup to the same internal physical drive you are trying to protect. Instead, we want to look at external or cloud solutions. If you have an external hard drive plugged in, you will see it listed right here under your local drives. Storing a local copy on an external drive is highly recommended by tech experts everywhere for immediate offline access. But we want to be completely bulletproof, which means getting our data offsite. Select the network tab. EaseUS built this to be completely inclusive and cloud-friendly, allowing you to click directly to your Google Drive account or any cloud service you prefer. Click Google Drive, sign in securely through the prompt to authorize the connection, and the software will create a dedicated, protected pathway straight to your cloud storage. This gives you the ultimate setup, which is your vital partition data will stream safely into the cloud, completely isolated from any local hardware failures. Before we hit backup now, we want to make this set it and forget. Click on the shadow option at the bottom and select the Scheme tab. Instead of manually backing up your data every week, you can tell the software to run this partition backup automatically, whether that is daily, weekly, or whenever your system boots up. You can also choose between the full backup or an incremental backup, which only uploads files that have changed since your last run. This saves you massive amounts of bandwidth and cloud space on your Google Drive. Once your settings are dialed in, all that's left to do is click that big, beautiful Backup Now button. The software takes over here. The progress bar will start sticking up as it securely packages your chosen partition and sends it straight to your external drive or up into your Google Service Cloud. If you need their premium backup automation features, don't pay full price later. Use my link in the video's description or pinned comment to lock in the massive limited time deal to save up to a clean 50% off. And just like that, your entire drive or partition is officially bulletproof. If this walkthrough made your life easier, smash that like button and subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials.